Hello everyone, and thanks for joining today. In this video, I will guide you through the simple steps to control who can share your clip in their story on the Twitch app for Android. This setting helps you manage your content's privacy and decide who can repost your clips. First, open the Twitch app on your Android phone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom to open your profile section. From the menu, select Account Settings. Next, tap on Security and Privacy. This section handles all your account security options. Scroll down carefully until you find the Story Clip Sharing option. Here, you will see three choices: Everybody, Nobody, and People you follow. Choose the option that suits your preference. If you want anyone to share your clip, select Everybody. If you prefer to restrict sharing completely, choose Nobody. Finally, if you only want people you follow to share your clips, select People you follow. That's it. Your clip sharing settings will update immediately based on your choice. To sum up, controlling clip sharing on Twitch is easy and helps you protect your content privacy. Make sure to check your preferences regularly for the best experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.